Hello everyone, welcome or welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm also good. My name is Preeti and today is my day 13 of Speaking English Challenge for 21 days. So guys, in this video I want to talk about my English journey, especially about which I took this challenge 13 days ago, 21 days challenge. So guys, I want to talk about this because I have been facing some problem about between this journey. So sometime you won't believe my mind is go blank whenever I try to make my video front of camera, and that time I just go blank and I don't know what should I do on that situation, because uh, which word and which things I want to say front of camera and what is don't coming in my mind. So sometimes I feel give up because I don't know why it's happened with me, and if these all things happen with you also, so let me know in the comment box who all are learner in this English language and who already faced this difficulties while their journey. So guys, today I want to talk about this. So whenever I try to make my video, so sometime I just go blank, and you won't believe I take sometime 10 and over 10 retake again to again, because of I have to make my video, because I have to upload on over my channel, because already I took this challenge, so I have complete. But sometimes it's happened with me, so that's why I want to share with you. So the thing is, because I have to speak all things in English, so I don't have prepared any topic for my video, and so sometimes it's happened with me, my mind is go blank. But sometimes I thought I should make a script first and then I should make my video. But I don't know why. Whenever I try to make my script first, so later than if I try to speak same as like script, so I'm not able to speak same like script. So that is why I don't make any script for my channel. So I just try to make video which all thoughts coming in my mind and which all things I haven't already faced in my English journey. So just I want to say something about these type of particular things which I used to do and which I still do. So these things happen with me. But sometime guys, if you are also English learner, so maybe you have been facing some problem, because it's happened because of lack of knowledge in English and lack of practice, because we are not habitual this language, and we don't get this type of environment in English, so that is why it's happened. So sometimes I feel give up, and I thought I should stop making my video, because um, I don't know why. Sometimes don't. I don't want to make any video, but as you know, I already took this challenge, so I have to complete. But it's happened. It's human nature. We feel sometimes give up, but I have been pushing myself forward in since 1 year, because in between this journey, I want to give up many time. I wanted to give up many time, but I just keep pushing myself ahead, and right now I can convey my thought like this. So guys, I am feel proud of myself, because if I am doing something new and if I am not fluent, so this is yeah, doesn't matter, because if you are in your learning process, so you should not give up and you should not feel stop and quit, because if you are quit your journey now, so later you will have regret only, because if you don't do work upon your skills, so later you have only regret, you have nothing. So that is why uh, though I have some another work to do, and so many work, because I'm also preparing for any GOPT exam, so that's why I have to give time as well my exam preparation. But if I have my whole time for this English language, so maybe today I am speak fluent English, because I can't give proper time for this, and that is why I'm learning side by side and juggling between this language. So guys, I want to say which all things I said about my journey. So I want to say, if you feel sometime like this, word is don't come in your mind and you is stuck whenever you want to say something in English and you just stuck and fumble a lot in your speaking journey. So you should not give up and just try to learn something new, because that's why we fumbled a lot because of lack of knowledge and lack of practice. So I just want to say myself, if I want to complete this challenge, so I have to speak no matter what all mistake I do in my video, but I should learn from my mistake and mm, try to go ahead and try to learn something new in a daily basis. So guys, why I want to say this front of you, because you don't know what is the hard work and what is the scene of behind the camera. Because I take sometimes so many retake because of my mistake, because sometimes I feel I just quit, I don't want to do this because my mind is go blank, why I'm doing this. But as you know guys, I already took this challenge, so I have to complete. And no matter once I complete this challenge, so later then I'm not stopped my journey, because I have to reach at my goal, because my goal is get fluency in this language. And so I have to do my hard work about this language. And that is why if you are a beginner, so don't give up and just it's happening with anyone in their initial days, which all things happened with me. So I just want to complete this challenge, and I can do in a daily basis. So guys, I just want to say this all about my journey, which I take this challenge for 21 days. So though this is harder for me sometime, but I have to complete it no matter what is happening in my life. And sometime I thought I don't get any response from YouTube, like not views and not nothing. But later then I thought it is a journey about my improvement. So I don't think so about my views and subscriber. So guys, if you like my video and if you like my this 21 days journey, so guys, please keep support and do like, share, subscribe my channel for more. And I'll meet you in the next video tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.